Hey, what's going on, everybody? Justin here with AmericanMuscle.com. As you can see, we got the 2024 Mustang behind me, our base GT. We've been doing a couple little things to it here at the shop, but we wanted to get some baseline performance numbers down before we really start diving in. So what we're gonna do today is grab our Dragy and do a 0 to 60 blast completely stock. Now keep in mind, this is a 6-speed manual car. We've seen a ton of 10R80, 0 to 60 tests, things like that, but not too many manual cars. So I'm gonna get behind the wheel here, try to get this thing to launch on the street tires and see how we do. Now, it is 95 degrees here today. The deck is certainly stacked against this thing for laying down a serious number, but we like to see where it stands. So guys, as always, if you like the 2024 content we're doing, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. But for now, let's hop in and see if we can get this thing to launch. All right, guys, so here we are again, kind of on a little lone back road. We are in our 2024 manual GT, 355 rear gear car with stock wheels, stock tires. Launch control we'll try first here at 3,500 RPM. Slip the clutch out a little bit and see how we do. Dragy is recording. Let's let her eat. A lot of wheel spin. Trying to bang that second gear. Oof, 5.29 seconds to 60. Yeah, not great. We'll turn around and try it one more time, see how we do, okay? All right, guys, so we tried the launch control first time around. A lot of wheel spin with 3,500 RPM. Let's see if we can just do it the old-fashioned way and slip the clutch and see how we do. Take two, here we go. Worse. Kind of bogged the launch though, 5.4 seconds, yuck. We've tried it twice now, not great results, right? We saw a 5.2 and a 5.4 0 to 60. Again, you know, we're kind of hot lapping this thing. It's 95 degrees out. We have the stock Continentals on the back. It's not exactly setting the world on fire here as far as traction is concerned, but we did have a little bit better luck with the traction control, or the launch control, I should say. Had it at 3,500 the first time, a lot of wheel spin. Let's knock it down to 3,000 RPM, slip the clutch with the launch control, and see if we can't touch maybe something a little under a 520. Here we go. Oh, it's terrible. It bogs so hard. Yeah, 5.5. It's just getting slower and slower. It did better when it just lit the tires off, but honestly, getting this thing to leave right now, it's either spin city or bog city. There's really no in between. Shut up. There you have it, guys. Not really great results, but I would say they are real world results with a completely stock 6-speed car. You're looking at low fives here. At least that was our experience today. Not great. All right, guys, well, there you have it. 3 0 to 60 pulls here using our Dragy and our 2024 Mustang GT with, let's face it, not the best results, right? A 5.2, a 5.4, and a 5.5 0 to 60. The car was basically either just blowing the tires off or bogging really hard. There's really no in between. Other magazines out there have tested a manual 24 GT, a performance pack car, to a mid 4-second range. That wasn't our experience here today. As you guys saw, the car just really didn't have much traction out of the hole. And if it did, it just bogged really hard. So not the best results, I'm not gonna lie. You know, we wanted something in the 4s. Again, hot day, not gonna make excuses. This is real world stuff here, guys. This isn't cherry pick numbers to make this thing look better than it is. This is what you, the average Joe, might see at home. Are you happy with that? I know I'm not. It wasn't a great showing here today for the S650 manual car, but regardless, at least now you know. Either way, guys, drop us a comment. Let us know what you're thinking here of these 0 to 60 times, and we'll see you in the next video. So in the meantime, I'm Justin. Thanks for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.